Okay, so hello and welcome, guys. Today in here we're gonna diving into the critically acclaimed film. What is it? Is it Good Will Hunting? Directed by Gus Van Sant and released in 1997. This is powerful drama. Stars Matt Damon, Robin Williams, Ben Affleck, and Minnie Driver. The story follows Will Hunting, a janitor at MIT, with a genius-level intellect who struggles with emotional trauma and self-worth. After an altercation with the law, he is given a choice: go to jail or study mathematics under a professor's supervision, and attend therapy. What unfolds is a moving journey of healing, identity, and human connection. The film falls under the drama genre and received widespread acclaim, winning two Academy Awards: Best Supporting Actor for Robin Williams and Best Original Screenplay for Damon and Affleck. Plot analysis. The plot of Good Will Hunting is deceptively simple, yet emotionally profound. What makes it original is how it blends a classic underdog story with deep psychological and introspection. Rather than focusing solely on Will's intellect, the film delves into the emotional scars that hold him back. The pacing is deliberate and thoughtful, allowing the emotional arc to breathe. Some may find the slower middle act at a bit drawn out, but the payoff is worth it. The therapy session, especially between Will and Sin or Robin Williams, are some of the most memorable scenes in film history. Raw, authentic, and deeply human. There aren't any major plot twists, but the emotional revelation serve as powerful turning points. Okay, in character development, characterization is the film's strongest asset. Will Hunting is a complex character, intellectually brilliant but emotional damage. His journey of self-discovery is portrayed with nuance and vulnerability by Matt Damon, who gives a career-defining performance. And Robin Williams, as therapist Shane McGuire, delivers a masterclass in restrained yet powerful acting. His warmth and emotional depth elevate every scene he's in. The chemistry between Damon and William is magnetic. Ben Affleck, as Chucky, provides both comic relief and heartfelt moments, particularly in a poignant monologue about West's potential Minnie Driver. Also bring charm and intelligence to her role as Skylar, adding emotional texture to Will's romantic journey. And then direction and cinematography. Director Gus Van Sant exercised a light touch, allowing the story and performance to take center stage. His direction feels intimate and authentic, especially during the therapy scenes. Cinematographer Jean-Yves Escoffier keeps the visual grounded in realism. Boston neighborhood are captured with a mute palette that reflect the character emotional tone. There's nothing flashy here, and at the point, the cinematography serves the narrative rather than distracting from it. Sound and music. The soundtrack, composed by Danny Elfman, is understated but hauntingly beautiful. It complements the emotional beats without overwhelming them. The use of Elliott Smith songs, especially Miss Misery, adds a melancholic and reflective tone to the film. Sound design is subtle, focusing on dialogue and ambient realism. The film wisely avoid overproduced effect, keep its emotional core from front and center. Sound design is subtle, focusing on the dialogue and ambient realism. The film wisely avoids overproduced effect, keep its emotional core and front and center. Themes and message. At its heart, Good Will Hunting explores themes of abandonment, trauma, potential, and human connection. It asks what happens when brilliance is buried beneath pain, and how much of our identity is shaped by fear versus choice. The movie challenged the idea of wasted potential and underscores the transformation power of relationships, particularly the therapeutic one between Will and Shin. One of the most powerful messages is "It's not your fault," repeated until Will allows himself to believe it. My personal opinion. Personally, I found Will Hunting to be a deeply moving and thought-provoking film. The script is sharp, the characters feel real, and the performances are unforgettable. It's not just a story about genius, it's about healing, vulnerability, and the courage to face one's demons. If there's a minor flaw, it's that some of the supporting character could have been developing further. Also, the pacing might not work for everyone. It's a slow burn. Still, I would highly recommend this movie to fans of character-driven dramas, psychology, or any looking for a meaningful emotional resonance story. Conclusion. To sum up, Good Will Hunting is an out film that succeeds through its heartfelt performance, honest writing, and emotional depth. The message lingers long after the credits roll. It is film that doesn't just entertain, it resonates, inspires, and heals. Final rating is 9.5 out of 10. Thank you.